All right, this is Jeff Stunkard. We are at Mecum Indy 2026, and we are looking again at the cars from the Peter Swainson collection. We're going to take a look at these three Challengers from 1970. Each of them is unique. Start right here, the 70 RT, one of 82 with a power sunroof. Has a stroked 505 cubic inch motor that Dave Dudek built. A34 Super Track Pack Dana rear end. 4-speed transmission, cloth seats, power disc brakes, rim blow, radio delete. So cool piece though. However, unique status of this car is really this triple green paint. So you've got that body with the lime colored side stripe, RT, and the green cloth interior, and of course the very cool sunroof. Peter brought several sunroof cars with him here. The rim blow steering wheel in green. 4-speed. Again, check out the dash here. This is, you can see the radio delete area here. And it does have the full rally dash with the clock intact, the speedometer, pedal dress-ups. Stunning vehicle in many ways. And sunroof is such a cool option. So few cars got it. Car next to it's also a sunroof car here. This one's got a leather interior. It's an automatic. Luggage rack. Body color instead of chrome mirrors. One of 82 built. Broadcast sheet. Again, this was a 383 car that has a 489 cubic inch motor built by Dave Dudek. Dudek, of course, is the guy who runs the FAST series, stock tire deal, and so he builds them. They look OE when he's done. Power disc brakes, power windows, leather interior, cruise control. So, power windows, as you can see over here. Great option on any one of these cars. Like I said, it looks stock under hood. Packing an extra 100 plus cubes, 500 horsepower rating. And there's the air conditioning and the cruise control unit, which were not available if you had multiple carburation on your car. Very nice condition color broadcast sheet. Don't see that too much. So the final is not an RT, but it's the top dog of the group here. So it's had a Hemi installed in it. There's 630 horsepower. Again, another Dudek engine build. FitTech fuel injection. Passan 5-speed. Aftermarket air conditioning, cloth bucket seats, 17-inch rod wheels. Pistol grip, again, that's on top of Passan 5-speed setup. Jamie Payson does lots of cool stuff. A little larger than stock road wheel. Again, cloth inserts on the seats. AM, FM radio. Rally dash. Air conditioning controls. Pistol grip shifter. 426 Hemi hood emblems. So these are all midday cars for Friday. And Peter brought a truly stunning group of vehicles here. I think it'll be interesting to see how they do. So there's a trio of Challengers. If you're into neat options, again, 2 sunroof cars, stroker motors, and one set up with a Hemi, and all pumping real horsepower. So anyway, this is Stunkard here at Mecum Indy, and we'll be back.